Michael, I would like to have a heart-to-heart discussion with you.
What is it you want to discuss with me?
Yeah, listen. It's about my newfound love. I'm not saying a love that has given me peace and hope again, Michael.
Victor, you're funny. Has anybody told you that I'm after your girlfriend?
Listen, Michael. I'm talking about the love of Christ. And I want you to be a partaker. For when you know Him, Michael, listen. When you know Christ, all things will pass away and you have peace in your heart.
I take exception to stupid discussions. I thought you wanted to discuss how we're going to sell our father's properties scattered all over Lagos.
Michael, all I'm asking you to do is simply give your life to Christ. Please.
Victor, you can give your life to anybody. Yes, you can give your life to Christ. Demons, prophets, prophetess, mommy water, anything. Even to your girlfriends. As for me, I am thinking about how to leave this God-forsaken country.
Listen to me, Michael. If that's what you want to do, you can do it. But I've made up my mind. I'm going to confess. I killed our dad for Christ's sake, Michael. Listen to me. Ever since Daddy died, Michael, listen. I've not had a moment of peace. I've been restless, for goodness sake. This is the only chance that I have. I want to do this confession thing, and I want you to do it with me, Michael, please. Michael, please.
You want to confess?
Michael, listen to me. Listen to me. You're my senior brother. Listen. I just want us to do this confession thing so that we can be free. We still have a chance.
Get out.
Michael, listen to me. Listen.
I said, get out.
Michael, I want you to...
My room. Now.
Please, listen to me. Listen. Michael, please. I want you to give this a thought.
God will bear me witness. This boy is getting on my nerves. Get out now!
Michael, please. You can kill me. You can do anything. But I want you to think about this. I want you to
say get out, Victor.
You can hit me, but always remember that God loves you.
Now!